I know TransOurDream is a wonderful transfer paper brand. This is the TransOurDream's inkjet white WaterSlide decal paper I just received. Now let's open the package. There are instructions inside, which have complete operation steps and cautions. This is a white, clear, WaterSlide decal transfer paper for inkjet printer. Print on the blank and smooth side. Take out a sheet of transfer paper and put it in an inkjet printer. Print image on the blank side. Don't print on the watermark side. Start to print the image to be transferred onto the paper. Set quality selection to high and deselect fit picture to frame. Spray an even and continuous coat with an acrylic spray onto your image at a distance of 20 centimeters from the image. Make sure the image is completely covered, and meanwhile the spray coat should be as thin as possible. If the spray coat is too thick and doesn't totally dry up, the image will dissolve and smudge. The acrylic spray is flammable. Please avoid open flames and high temperatures when spraying. Dry the paper with cool air of a hairdryer for 1 minute, or just let it dry naturally for 20 minutes. Trim the image after it completely dries up. Use scissors to trim the image that you want. Soak the image in water for 15 seconds to separate the film and the image. After they have separated, take out a mug, stagger the image with the film paper, fix it to the appropriate position of the mug, press and hold on one side of the image, then slide the film paper off. Then, use fingers, tissue, or cotton cloths to smooth out any creases. Wipe off the water on the surface and discharge small bubbles until the image fits perfectly on the mug. The mug, ceramics, needs to be baked in an oven at 380 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius to 410 degrees Fahrenheit or 210 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. Be careful and don't burn yourself. Now the image is successfully transferred onto the mug. Repeat previous steps. Items that cannot be baked in an oven can be dried naturally for at least 24 hours. I'll give my sister a big surprise today. TransOurDream. Never give up.